died. They died facing enemies.
Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a like glowing CC on InShot. First, upload your video. Okay, so then go to text and add your text. You can choose any font you like. I'm using Montserrat. You can choose any font you like, and then make the text color green. Okay, and make the border just to like 26. Okay, make the border 26 and shadows is like full. Okay? And then go to animations and select the typewriter animation as the first in animation and make it full. Make the duration full, and the out animation is to be fade like animation, and this also is to be duration full. Okay, and then add your another text. Okay, so guys, I forgot to show you one thing and tell you one thing, that the glow you want to, the color of glue you want, you have to give the color that much glow. I mean that color of glow. Suppose you want blue color glue, so you take the blue color glue, go to glue and blue color, and then set it to 15. Okay. Let me do this another text also. Go and whatever color you glue like. Okay. There it is. Align it to the center. Align it to the center, a little small. Okay, it's good. And choose the glow of the second option. The second option glue, not the first. Choose the second option. Okay. Set the glow to 15. And then just export the video in full quality. So then after exporting the project, just open a new project. Just open a new blank project and set the duration to your project. Okay, so my project is 5 duration 5.0 like this, and then tap PIP and export the video that you just and import the video that you just exported. Set the duration and then tap PIP and tap the video, and then just go to cutout and select where the text just folds. Okay, that is, and go to cutout and then chroma and just mark the green. Okay, if your text is looking black, then you are in the right position. Then just go it. Should look like this. Okay, and then split the video where text just disappears. Yeah. Okay. Then click on the video blank clip that you just split, and then go to replace and add a video that I will link in that I will give the link in description. Okay, sorry. Let's go. See, it's less like glowing, and then just replace it by the clip you like. Okay, this one, and then just simply export it. Okay.